My name is Sita Aina Walkins binti Muhammad Nasir, and I'm gonna explain about our first part of this assignment, which is introduction. One of the largest and popular banking in Malaysia, which is Malayan Banking Berhad, and commonly known as Maybank, that has found in 1960. Maybank, with their mission, which is humanizing financial service, explained that they want to provide financial service more accessible to people and community. Our group has chosen Maybank for this assignment because we would like to examine a company that is nationally relevant and closely connected with our economic and social life. Moreover, Maybank has received many compliments for its leadership, workplace culture, diversity initiative, and digital innovation. Finally, we were interested to know how Maybank has managed to address recent organizational issues.
Maybank, as a large global banking organization, truly values a diverse team structure to achieve both strategy and operational goals. Our approach to the team dynamic is fundamental of our success. Team formation at Maybank is built on several key principles. First one, as we have functional teams. These are permanent teams within specific department like human resource (HR) or corporate banking, operating under clear hierarchies. Second, project-based teams are temporary and cross-functional, formed for specific initiatives such as a digital transformation or a new product launch. We select staff with the expertise needed from various departments. Thirdly, as a multinational company, we utilize geographically dispersed teams. We have regional teams in countries like Singapore and Indonesia that operate semi-autonomously but remain integrated with our Kuala Lumpur head office. Finally, in line with our digital transformation, we have adopted agile squads. These are small self-managing teams, particularly in information technology (IT) and digital banking, working in sprint to deliver technology-based solutions. Managing these dynamic teams involves a combination of organizational structure, technology, and leadership. One core strategy is performance management. We use a balanced scorecard system to align individual goals with team and organizational objectives, with regular feedback fostering continuous improvement. We heavily rely on digital collaboration tools. Platforms like Microsoft Teams and Outlook facilitate communication and task coordination, while Jira new application helps project teams to track progress efficiently. Next, team development and training are also important. Maybank Academy offers programs to enhance interpersonal skills and problem solving, and our Go Ahead Challenge develop future leaders. Our diversity, equity, and inclusion (DEI) policies ensure seamless collaboration across diverse backgrounds. We provide training on culture sensitivities and gender equality. Furthermore, we focus on conflict management and communication. Managers are trained in conflict resolution, and open door policies ensure issues are addressed early. Last but not least, recognition and motivation are the key. We celebrate team achievement through awards, bonus, and internal campaign, strengthening our collective culture.
For this part, I will explain about the power and politics in Maybank. Firstly, Maybank operates under a centralized and hierarchical structure where power is mainly held by the CEO. This structure allows for more control over decision making, but it also means that most strategic decision depends heavily on the top leadership. To understand this better, we can refer to French and Raven's theory of power, which includes three types of power that are relevant to Maybank. First is legitimate power. This comes from the CEO official position in the company. Second is expert power, based on the CEO knowledge and experience, which earns trust and authority. Next is reference power. This is more about the CEO charisma and the respect gained from employees. Lastly, the CEO plays a very important role, not just in making decisions, but also in shaping the overall work culture of the organization. Now I will explain about the political aspect in Maybank. Firstly, in Maybank, there is informal influence among experienced senior managers. This means that some decisions can be influenced by their personal relationships or experience, not just formal authority. Secondly, organizational politics can affect major decisions such as project selection or job appointments. So, who gets promoted or what project gets approved may sometimes depend on internal politics. However, Maybank tries to control negative politics by having a clear code of ethics and integrity training, providing secure internal reporting channels to report unethical behavior, and conducting regular audits and reporting to ensure transparency.
Maybank culture is built on the TIGER values: teamwork, integrity, growth, excellence and efficiency, and relationship building. These values are part of their code of ethics and guide how employees make decisions and handle problems. To ensure a safe workplace, Maybank launched programs like Time Out and Leaders to reduce stress and support staff communication. If conflict happens, Maybank use a whistleblowing policy where employees or outsiders can report unethical action safely and anonymously. Here is the process. First, a report is submitted, then the whistleblowing commits or WBC checks if it's valid. If not, it goes to HR. If valid, an investigation is done by the right officer. The report is then reviewed by the WBC. If the person is found guilty, disciplinary action is taken. If not, the case is closed. In both cases, the person who reported the issue is informed and the board PSC director is updated. Maybank use a structured communication system with both top-down and horizontal flow. Top-down communication comes through executive release, fatigue calls, and meeting. Meanwhile, horizontal communication happens between departments through cross-functional projects. Maybank also use digital tools like board PSC to conduct secure, paperless meeting. Board members access, sign, and vote on documents using iPad, improving efficiency and security. After the pandemic, Maybank adopt a hybrid communication model, combining face-to-face and digital method. Programs like Leaders teaching leaders support strong team interaction even remote. According to Kumar, this digital and hybrid communication had a positive impact on employee well-being and work-life balance, showing how effective communication also supports staff happiness and productivity.
Next, I will explain about organizational process. There are three types of strategy. The first one is corporate strategy. Maybank has guided by M25+ plan that focus on digital transformation, sustainability, regional integration, and human capital development. The core pillars of Maybank corporate strategy include regionalization, digitalization, sustainability, and ESG, and the last one is human capital development. The second one is business strategy. Focus on driver service among the key business units such as community financial service, global banking, and the last one is Islamic banking and insurance. The focus of SME banking is the customer-friendly proposal of financing opportunity. And the last one is functional strategy. The department of Maybank like human resource, IT, marketing, and risk work out and adopt strategy in support of execution. For example, IT and digital innovation department are engaged in automation of service, improvement of cyber security, and modification of Maybank to You and May platform. The next part of organizational process is organizational structure. There are 5 types of organizational structure, but Maybank has used only one structure, which is matrix structure. Matrix structure was practiced in a larger and complex organization, and more than one line of reporting manager will be present in this structure. And the last but not least, in this organizational process, Maybank has used open system. Maybank adapts continually to political, economic, social, and technology change. For instance, Maybank was adjust operation in response to the COVID-19 pandemic, transitioning to remote banking and hybrid work models. Maybank also lend ears to the market demand, and innovative as well, and have introduced Maybank to You and the May mobile apps to offer digital-first banking to make it easier and convenient to customers to do their transaction.
Maybank faces a few issues organizational behavior, each impacting our effectiveness and employee well-being. First one, remote and hybrid work has become standard. While offering flexibility and cost saving, it is strength communication and teamwork. Our solution is Maybank Flex Work, supported by digital tools and training. Second, our diverse workforce is a strength, bringing creativity and varied perspective. However, cultural and generational differences can lead to conflict. We address this with comprehensive DEI initiative, including cultural awareness training and employee resource group like Women in Maybank. Next, employee engagement also vital. Despite efforts to foster belonging, high workloads cause burnout and poor communication can marginalize staff. We combat this with CEO town halls, employee surveys, and mental well-being programs. Last but not least, adapting to technology and automation is transforming roles. While this improves efficiency and expands our digital reach, it necessitates reskilling older workers and address fears of job loss. Our Future Ready program is designed to upskill employees in digital capabilities and ensure we stay ahead in the future.
Now, we are going to quickly review some key recommendations to improve how we work and strengthen our organization. First, leadership development. We need to reduce over-reliance on one person and train more leaders through mentoring and job rotations. Second, formalize informal power. Let's appoint experienced staff as official mentors and manage informal influence more effectively. Third, improve conflict management. We will add more town halls and open forums and encourage yearly open discussions about concerns. Next, better communications. We need to use digital tools more effectively and provide suggestions, boxes, and communication training. Next is support hybrid work. We will offer these allowances, mental health support, and promote work-life balance. Finally, we will establish conflict resolutions team in each department and strengthen our culture through workshops and recognitions. These steps will help us build a more effective, supportive, and harmonious workplace.
Lastly, conclusion. Maybank has built a strong work culture based on its mission is humanization financial service. This means that focus on value like teamwork, honesty, learning, doing their best and building good relationship. They use different type of team like project group and agile squad to help staff work better together, especially in digital era. Leaders at Maybank use both their position and their knowledge to guide and support employees. To handle program, Maybank provide a safe way to staff to report issue and give training to promote fairness and inclusion at work. They also communicate clearly through CEO, town hall, email, and online platform like Broad PAC. Maybank's M25 Plus plan help different departments work together and quickly respond to change. The company also care of its staff by offering flexible work options, digital skill training, and mental health support. The last, Maybank is caring, ethical, and forward-thinking organization ready for the digital world.